Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to online classes. I am Samreen Zahra taking your chemistry class of 10 Federal Board. Our chapter 10 acid, bases and salts are continuing. In today's class, we will discuss difference of theories and ionization of water with you. Now discuss differences. Yes, in previous lecture, I have explained acid basis theories in detail. Today only, I compare these theories for your memorization. According to Arrhenius, acids are the substances that contain hydrogen and bases are the substances that contain hydroxyl group. According to Bronsted-Lowry, an acid is a proton donor and base is a proton acceptor. And according to Lewis, acids are electron pair acceptor while bases are electron pair donors. Yes, according to Arrhenius, HCl and NaOH are acid and base. According to Bronsted-Lowry, NH3 and water are acid and bases. BF3 and NH3 are acid and bases according to Lewis theory. Now we come on topic self-ionization of water. What is self-ionization of water? The reaction in which water molecules produce ions is called self-ionization or auto-ionization of water. Water dissociates into its ion. When we dissolve water, it dissociates into its ion H plus and OH minus. Water molecules are highly polar. Occasionally, the collision between water molecules are energetic enough to transfer a proton from one water molecule to another. Yes, here H2 and H2, when both water molecules combine, they form hydronium ion and hydroxyl group. The concentration of H plus ion and OH ions is extremely small. A water molecule that donate or lose a proton become negatively charged ion, and the other water molecules which gain or accept proton become positively hydronium ion. Water is a weak electrolyte. The self-ionization of water occurs to a very small extent. According to law of mass action, Kc is equal to H plus OH minus divided by H2O. Kc is a ratio description. In the above expression, the value of H2O may be taken as having a constant value because the degree of ionization is so small in water. Both Kc and H2O are constant, so Kw is equal to Kc, H2O is equal to H plus OH negative. Kw is equal to KCH2 is called ion product of water. Kw is called ion product of water. Here I explain you that the concentration of H plus and OH are equal at 25 degrees centigrade and values are 1 multiplied 10 s to power minus 7 molar concentration of H plus and also as well as for OH negative 1 multiplied 10 s to power minus 7 molar concentration. And when we calculate it, finally the value of Kw is 1 multiplied 10 s to power minus 14 m2. Yes, here I describe importance of Kw. Ion product for water, Kw, is temperature dependent. Means by increasing and decreasing temperature, their concentration also affected. Only at 25 degrees centigrade, their concentration are equal. Its value remain constant, which is 1 multiply 10 is to power minus 14 at which temperature? At 25 degrees centigrade. If H plus increases, OH must decreases so that the product is still 1 multiply 10 is to power minus 14. When value of H plus and OH is equal to 1 multiply 10 is to power minus 7, then solution is neutral. If value of H plus is less than 10 is to power minus 7, then solution is acidic. And if H plus is greater than 1 multiplied 10 to the power minus 7, then solution is basic. How this method we express? In 1990, the Danish biochemist Søren Sørensen proposed a convenient method to expressions such as small concentration of H plus ion and OH ion by pH or POH. If the value of H plus is less than 7, then it means these are acidic in nature. And if value of OH negative is greater than 7, then it means these solutions are basic in nature. Students, we will discuss pH and pH in next lecture. Now I will summarize my lecture. The reaction in which two water molecules react to produce ions is called as self-ionization of water. Ionization constant for water is also called as the ion product constant for water, and its value is 1 multiplied 10 to the power minus 14 at 25 degrees centigrade. When H plus is equal to OH is equal to 1 multiplied 10 to the power minus 7, then solution is neutral. And when value of H plus is less than 1 multiplied 10 to the power minus 7, then solution will be acidic. And when value of H plus is greater than 10 to the power minus 7 value, then solution is basic. Now students, I will assign homework for you. Learn ionization of water. Learn the importance of Kw. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Stay home. Stay safe.